All right, here are my packages that I got in my P.O Box this month. I thought like a couple months ago, I thought it would be kind of fun to get a P.O Box and have people send me whatever they want. And this is what they sent. And it's kind of like just to help small businesses and, you know, share what's out there. And I'm just like excited to see what people are doing. And I thought it would just be a fun video to do. So let's get into it and open some of these boxes. All right, here's our first box. It's super cute. I like that the packaging like has all this cute information about toddlers. Let's see what's inside. Whoa, there's a lot of stuff in here. Oh, I'm an idiot. Look how cute the inside of the box is. So we've got some cute stickers. Don't break the box. If you do get one, I guess they use the box to put all the crafts in. So it looks like it comes with some rice for some awesome sensory activities. Oh, it's just like crafts for your toddler in a box and you don't even have to think about it. So cute. So it's like crafts and it looks like it comes with like a magazine to figure out like what to do with everything, and which is super cute. I am excited to try this out with the boys. If you get one, don't rip the box open like I did. Leave it intact because I guess I guess I could still fix it, but I guess you like pour the rice in here and use the box. It's part of like the sensory. Awesome! Okay, let's open another one. All right, box number 2. Let's open this. Those are so cute. I really like the gray. Oh my gosh, I'm dying. Oh, Justin would have loved this one. Look how cute for the boys this summer. Cute. Oh my gosh, dang, I wish I opened this for our trip when we went to Texas. That would have been so cute. Oh my goodness, you guys. How cute for the boys. And they sent 2 of each. Like, that is the cutest thing ever. So this is called Bubs and Bellas. Okay, so let's open the next one. All right, here's our last package. Let's see what's inside. Neufertown. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but I'll make sure to like link everything below. Felt things, and I really like these because I wanted them for, you know, church things that they can play with. And look how cute that is. So quiet stuff, that's really cute. And stuff inside. Oh, there's a little more bit inside of this little barn. That's super cute. The 3 little pigs. So cute. And here's the little pigs. And they're just like felt. Super cute. If you do have a small business and there's something that you do that kind of relates to the boys or me or whatever, and you want to send it, I'll link, here's my P.O Box below, or I'll try to put it in this picture as well, my P.O Box. And you can send it. I'll try to do this video once I get packages. So I'll try to like wait until I get a couple packages and then do a video and just do a couple at a time. But this is super cute. I'm excited. This was fun. Thanks.